Most voice actors think they're not booking on Voice123 because it's oversaturated or the algorithm is rigged against them. And honestly, they're not totally wrong. But that's not why you're not booking. The real reason is something most people in this industry won't say out loud because it costs money. But stick with me because I'm also going to show you how to get around spending a single dime if you got no money to spend. By the way, if you're new here, I am Jesse Carroll, award-winning voice actor with over 2,000 credits, narrator of 2 seasons of History Channel's Backroad Truckers, and founder of VoiceOver School. And I've booked enough jobs on Voice123 to know exactly what I'm talking about. And I even interviewed the CEO of Voice123 who told me everything I'm about to tell you is true. And if you want to see the interview I did with them, stay to the end of this video and I'll link to it. Okay, so here's the actual problem. Voice123 works on speed. Auditions stack up fast. Clients listen roughly in order. Higher membership tier, faster audition access. Earlier in the pile. More likely you're going to get heard. More likely to get booked. That's it. That's the thing nobody wants to say out loud. If you buy in at the higher membership tiers, you get your auditions faster, you get priority access to them, you get more of them, and thus are more likely to make your money back. That's the way it works. So simple fix, buy in at the highest membership tier that you can afford, preferably the $2,200 level. And we're going to talk about why in just a second. And by the way, I just want to say I have zero affiliation with Voice123. They don't pay me. I don't get a kickback when somebody signs up for a higher membership tier. I get nothing. And the reason I'm telling you this is because some fucking asshole on Reddit thinks the reason I'm telling everybody to upgrade the highest tier on Voice123 is because I get paid for it. I don't get shit. In fact, I'm not on the $2,200 level. I'm on the elite tier. Yeah, you got to apply for that. You can't just buy in there. But I pay $5,000 a year. You think Voice123, after the hundreds of people I've sent to them, would pay for it? Nope. They don't give me shit, except for a really nice interview that the CEO Rolf did with me, which I'm very appreciative of. And Voice123 is an awesome platform, and that's why they don't give me deals, because they know what they're worth. They know that they don't need to give deals. So that's the disclaimer. I don't get anything for telling people to upgrade to the higher membership tiers. In fact, I probably make it harder for myself to book on there, as I do with all the tips and secrets that I'm telling you guys here and in VoiceOver School. Why am I telling everybody everything I know? Why am I making it harder for myself? I don't know. I like the challenge because there's more than enough to go around, okay? And I think at this point in my career, it is my fucking duty to tell you the truth because most people won't. So here's the reality of the situation. The top tier membership that you can buy into on Voice123 is $2,200 a year, or, and this is the important part, $600 quarterly. You don't have to pay it all at once if you don't want to. You can, but it's better to pay it quarterly. Sounds like a lot, $600 every 3 months until you book one job and it pays for that quarter, most likely, or more, or maybe for the whole year. And listen, if you're not willing to invest in your career, then this video isn't going to help you. VoiceOver is a business. Businesses have startup costs. That's just the way it works in every business. And now I know I can hear some people saying, well, I'm just going to go in cold market because that's free and pay-to-play sites are a scam. Well, first of all, Voice123 isn't totally a pay-to-play site because there is a free workaround where you can get work without spending a dime. And I'm telling you in a second. Number 2, if you want to around sending cold emails to people all day to get no responses, or even if you send listen, I hired somebody that knows what they're doing. They sent out 1,000 and I got a handful of responses. People that were very nice. Hey, I'll put you on the roster. A few auditions and 0 jobs. How many jobs do you think I'm going to get with a 1 in 42 booking ratio overall across the platforms and my agent if I do 1,000 auditions, which I sometimes do in a month? 30, somewhere around there. See what I'm saying? If you are a good auditioner and you know your skills, why would you waste your time doing cold marketing? Book the client on a site like Voice123, market to them afterward. Now, for those of you who are super cheap and have no money, I got you. I'm just kidding on the cheap part. For those of you who are in a situation where you just don't have the $600, number 1, get a part-time job and pay for it. If you really want to do this, it is a fucking emergency. If you can't afford $600 every 3 months to get auditions and move your career forward, you got to figure it out. By the way, if you're paying, let's say they usually cost somewhere between $300 and $500 a month, and earn in person or even an online group coaching class where there's 10 to 20 of you and you do this once a week and you read a couple scripts and you listen to other people's feedback. If you're not actively auditioning, that's not going to help you. It may make you feel nice. The teacher might be like, hey, good job, you're progressing, but like you got to be auditioning at the same time. It's like going to practice for football and then not playing a game ever. And then when you get thrown into a game, how do you think you're going to do? Probably not very good. You're going to get hit for the first time and you go, oh my God, what that hurt. He hit me so hard. As a flashback, I used to play football, and that's what it was like the first time I got hit. So the free route, here it is. You don't have to spend a dime if you play the SEO game. What is SEO? Search Engine Optimization. That's what it stands for. Basically, when you type into Google and you put in words like restaurants near me, and then bam, they show up, it's reading those words you put in and finding them like a detective, putting them all together and giving you what you want to see. It works the same way on Voice123 and Voices in many ways, by the way. So how it works is you have SEO on Voice123 in your profile, your demos, mainly those two areas, but your demos is the most important. And when you upload a demos, all the tags that you pick in there as well. Most people, I would say like 99% of people that come to me and come to VoiceOver School, when we check out their profiles as we do, they've got everything, either no SEO keywords or they put in what they think they should put in, not what the client's actually searching. And they're not showing up at all. And I'm going to show you guys in a minute in real time like what that looks like. And you got to understand this. According to Rolf, and again, I'll link to the video at the end of this, the interview I did with them, 50% of the jobs that are getting booked on Voice123 are getting booked through the DMs. They're not even posting a job. What they're doing is they're typing in words into the search term. If I would come up, it would be something like basic white guy. It would be like middle-aged, male, VO, guy next door, conversational, authentic, real person. Those are like the most common ones, right? And I'm sure anybody that knows about VoiceOver would agree. So they type that up. If you don't have anything in your demos that has those keywords, you're not going to show up. And it's just pages and pages and pages of voice actors. You want to rank on the first page. I'm going to show you that you don't even need to have a paid membership to rank higher than people that, like me, that are in the elite tier, that pay $5,000 a year. And if they listen to your demo and it's good and they like you, they can invite you to a job, they can message you and ask you for an audition, or they can give you a straight offer, which they do oftentimes. Well, in my case, I have a bunch of reviews. They can Google me. They've seen I've done this before. So in my case, it's usually a straight offer when they contact me at that point. But when you're starting out, even a private invite or just a message, hey, like that demo, can you do a read for this? What can you quote for this? Mwah, chef's kiss. So that's the important of playing the SEO game. It's better if you do both auditions and SEO. But if you don't have the money legit right now and you're like, fuck, I just can't catch a break, I can't get a part-time job to pay for my voiceover habit or any of that stuff, no worries, I got you. Get on Voice123, get a free profile, spend a ton of time making the best DIY demos you can. And you can make good ones. I have heard in my community, there's some people, Danny's one of our community members, he's fucking fantastic, and he makes the best, he charges people like $25 to make them a DIY demo that will rival a pro demo. He makes single spots. It's fucking outstanding. Now, if you spend the time to learn about proper post audio, you can do that. And if you've got no job and no money, you got all the time in the world to go to YouTube University and figure it out, right? So make really good DIY demos, spend time looking through all the top profiles. You can go to the elite people through the search and look at their tags. Most of them have their profile set up really well. Look at how they've done their demo and just fucking rip off what they're doing and change it a little bit to suit the demo that you have. Steal like an artist, as they say. So let's stop gabbing and see exactly what this looks like in practice here. This is Voice123 if you've never seen it before. Okay, now we look over here into the search area and we can see this. So the first thing that comes up is all of these people with a little gold, I thought it was a check mark, it's an arrow. Some of your favorite voiceover rock stars. Hey, there's me right beside J. Michael Collins. Oh, that's awesome. He's super awesome and super famous. Here is all the elite members, right? So there's a few pages of us, maybe like 5 or something like that. I think there's 80 in total. That's the max that they'll have. So if you try to apply for elite, you go on a waiting list. So this is how it initially shows up. So if you get in the elite program, you got an advantage, but that's not how people search. Clients, because they want to find the right voice for their project, will often go, like I said, male, VO, conversational, authentic, real person. Let's try that. Let's see what comes up. Bam, here I am, number 1. I'll type in a different one to show that I don't come up with everything. But also, who comes up here? John, who's not an elite member, right behind me. He's in VoiceOver School community. So is Ethan. Yamikani. I'm going to butcher her name again. He watches. There's pages of this stuff. What do we got? 3 pages? 3 pages of this combination: conversational, authentic, real person. This person doesn't even have a paid account. So let's try this. Let's take away real person. Let's put in guy next door. See what happens. I'm still first. Hey, a lot of the same people. So let's take this out. Conversational, authentic. Let's go conversational, guy next door, funny. Hey, it's me again. And see, it's all different order, but it's a lot of the same people that know how this SEO works. Connor doesn't have a membership. See? Doesn't have a paid membership. Showing up in front of Wolf Williams, who pays $5,000 a year. That's the gold emblem here. $5,000 a year. Connor, first page, shows up in front. Let's see, is there anybody else? Bobby Donuts, no paid membership. Matt Fogarty. Hey, shout out to Matt Fogarty over in Canada. I met him briefly. Well, he was sitting at my table, but we talked for like 2 seconds at the Voice Arts Awards. He clapped for me when I won. Yay. Yeah, so this is how it works, right? So let's do a different thing here. Male VO, conversational. Let's go female VO. Upbeat and conversational. Let's see who shows up. Gina Scarpa, fantastic VO. She's in the elite. She probably knows what's up. Chris Carley, who's in my community, going cross-gender. Morgan Meadows, Jean Andrew, Carolyn Durkalski, Scarlett. No membership. Free membership. Bobby Donuts again, free membership. Joan Bishop, free membership, not a paid membership. Joan's also in the community. As you can see, if you have demos that you tag correctly with search terms that people are actually searching for, like let's look at Morgan Meadows. Let's look at this. Brain explainer, medical, straightforward, right? So this says authentic, upbeat, conversational. Does this have that in the other details? Actually, let's see if we can do this. View sample details. Bam, bam, bam. Upbeat, right there. And look at how many keywords are in here. This is why Morgan showed up. Look at all this. Look at all this. Look at all this. All the keywords we're looking for are showing up here and a little bit here. So these are the most important. Okay, so you get the point. What I'm going to show you real quick is if we go to my playlists, this is how crazy I take my samples, right? So chill, vibe, young adult male, genuine, relaxed, American. Cool, reflective, dude, total dude, okay? And then look at how much SEO keywords I have down here. So this is how you can do it on the free model. It's best to do both. Ideally, what you want to do is you want to have a paid tier, top of the top, 2,200 until you can get to elite. You have to apply for it. You want it for speed. You want to optimize your profile for private invites. You want to optimize all your demos, get them tagged correctly. So then you're auditioning and you're also getting offers or private invites or people just saying, hey, what's up? Loved your demo. Let's connect. That's what you want. That is like the perfect scenario for VoiceOver on Voice123. That is how you get ahead on Voice123. And if you want to get the full system and all the tips and tricks and what keywords to use and how to set up your profile on Voice123 and get ahead of like 90% of the voice actors that don't take the time to learn how the platform actually works, check out VoiceOver School. That's what we do there. We remove the guesswork so you can start booking. And it's not just on Voice123. We go deep on platform strategy for voices as well, audition tactics, how to get an agent, what's actually working right now from someone who's actively booking in it, as well as all my students that are booking. You know, that's one of the benefits of being in a community is you can see what's actually working right now from multiple different perspectives. And also, if you're brand new to VoiceOver and you want to see what this is all about first, we've got a free training too. Both links for VoiceOver School and the free training are in the description below. So check it out. And other than that, we will see you in the next one. Peace.